Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Nowadays it is pretty hard to be without power, without our devices and appliances, so having a portable power station is key. I want to show you this one here from COOFLY. It is pretty awesome. So this is a massive 1000 watt output portable power station, and not only is it the station, it also comes with a 120 watt solar panel. So this is amazing that you are able to power this up through the solar panels and actually generate that power. This is a pretty serious battery pack, and you can use this for way more than just charging up your phone. You can use this to power a full-size refrigerator, your TV, fans. It's even great to have as emergency backup for medical devices, so this can really give you peace of mind. Of course, it's also great because it's portable. You can take it anywhere. So if you're going camping or overlanding, or you like to be out in your RV and you need a way to power all of your appliances, then this is such a great option. You can actually power up to 7 different devices at the same time, as long as your max output is under 1000 watts. This is equipped with 2 AC outlets, 2 USB ports, a USB-C port, a car port, as well as a DC outlet. And it's really easy to take around with you. The battery itself has a handle. The solar panel comes with a case, which makes it really easy to travel with and also protects the panel. The panels have a kickstand feature that allows them to stand up on their own very easily, as well as be at the right angle to really maximize the sun's input. So if you're looking for some backup power for home or wherever you are out on an adventure, then I would definitely suggest this setup from COOFLY. It is durable, it's seriously well made, very, very high quality, and it's really simple to use and very effective. I would highly, highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.